See if it works. Not that great. All right. I have fire. Yeah, some people get excited. That makes me nervous. Fire. All right, and I have a birthday candle. Is it anybody's birthday today?
It's Chase's birthday.
Chase's birthday?
It's Celtic's birthday tomorrow.
Oh, well, we'll let this thing blow the candle out for them. Hopefully. See what it's doing to the flame?
Oh. Wait, what is that?
Come closer.
Oh.
Can't get it to quite blow it out.
Did you turn off the power unit?
It's up like crazy right now. It's close, but not quite. If I hold my hand here, I actually feel a breeze. Come try it. Oh, yeah.
That's crazy. Oh, there's an actual.
Anybody else?
Is
Who
that,
doesn't hurt?
is that the coronal discharge?
Ah, not in this light. I need it dimmer for that. Anybody else want to try it?
It really feels like a little high up. Just get tiny little.
Just cup your hand over it.
Oh, is that just bursting charge?
Oh, that's true. Wow. So that's just metal?
That's just a nail, yeah.
Is that works?
Nobody? Oh,
That's cool. Literally, you're supposed to go fast.
But how?
Whoa.
How is that possible?
oh, that's a good question.
Most of that.
That's what I want you to think about.
So you can't like blend the alien or anything, right?
We can't what?
Oh, so instead of being
Alien balloons?
they just.
Because they're trying to get away. But like it's secretly the alien breathing from us.
Now, I should turn this off.
So much charge like flies up.
Okay,
This is the
Okay.
effect of a lightning rod.
Okay.
A lightning rod isn't supposed to attract lightning. It's supposed to prevent lightning strikes. But if they do strike, it provides a path for the lightning charge to flow through that's safe, like outside your house. But most of the time, they're getting rid of the charge. In college, I lived at the top of a very large dormitory. And along the roof of the dorm, they had all kinds of lightning rods sticking up around the edge. It was 13 stories with 44 rooms on a floor. And it was a big rectangular box. And during an electrical storm, I actually opened my window. I was on the top floor. And I could hear them crackling and hissing right above my head. As the wind was blowing by the building, it was creating all kinds of friction. Charges were building up like crazy, and the storm above had charge in it. So the building was just streaming electricity up into the air. Or the other way, I don't remember if the building was positive or negative. But I could hear them hissing from the charges coming off of the tips.
Mr. Bass,
Yeah.
is electricity energy?
Oh, what is electricity?
Because
It is the movement of electrons.
That's it.
It is flowing from point A to point B.
So then, when you produce electricity, is that like how does that fit in the whole mass energy conservation thing?
They're just free to move charges, typically valence electrons.
Oh, it's just charges moving.
Yeah,
So then, the charges have kinetic energy.
they do.
So where does that energy come from?
The electric field is pushing them, so whatever's creating the electric field is causing them to move.